Hi, I'm Archana.
And I'm Sandesh.
Welcome to another episode of Making the Right Connection. And today we are talking about the most common mistakes in selecting a relay for your applications. Sandesh, maybe you could start off with a list of things to be considered while selecting a relay.
Well, the list is a bit large, but can be largely segregated into electrical, mechanical, environmental, reliability, and safety parameters. You will find the list of specific parameters in the caption below.
So let's focus what you think are the critical set of parameters that engineers may miss considering when selecting a relay.
Sure, let me put it in the form of features that are most often the cause of relay failure in industrial applications. I would say the number one cause is incorrect contact rating for your load type.
Could you clarify?
Well, the issue is with the users often missing the fact that they need to derate or protect their relays when connecting an inductive load like motors. These loads, when switching on, can cause an inrush current which is 6 to 10 times its running load. So if you are using a 10 ampere, maybe you can connect an inductive load which is 2 to 3 ampere, not more.
So it is the equivalent of overloading a relay which can lead to failures?
Exactly. And this can basically burn, weld or erode the contacts very rapidly. Users can also consider putting an RC snubber circuit which can protect against such inrush currents. Or for high rating motors, they may need specific contactor relays or solid state relays.
What other complaints are most commonly seen?
I would say that the second most common problem would not be considering the switching frequency actually needed. The obvious problem is that the output signal may be erratic or false. Eventually, it will lead to an early relay failure because of plethora of reasons from arcing, chatter, heat buildup, etc.
Also, we were speaking earlier and you mentioned how the environment can play a major role in failure of relays.
Absolutely. And while specific applications may need specific IP ratings or vibration resistance, believe it or not, it is actually the temperature at which relays operate, which is the most frequent cause of failure.
How so? I mean, most relays have an operating temperature much above the ambient.
Yes, but in operational conditions, we find that the relays are often packed in too tightly, or that the panel can be inadequately ventilated, and even continuous operation if relays lead to excessive heat generation which needs to be rapidly dissipated.
Sandesh, thank you for all this information today. It did give me a better understanding of the problem, and I'm sure it will be useful to all our viewers as well. Also, in case you would like to know more about selecting the right relays for your applications, please do read our blogs with the link in caption. Or even better, get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. Till next time, be safe and keep making the right connections.